We have breaking news about global innovations discovered right here in America's first region.
Hampton Roads is in the heart of the Mid-Atlantic in coastal southeastern Virginia.
Hampton Roads is an innovation hotspot on a global scale.
And InnovateHamptonRoads is the network connecting entrepreneurs, ideas, and investment together across this diverse region to grow the seeds of opportunity. We bring you this report.
Hampton Roads region is a wonderful place to work. You can live in a historic neighborhood and commute to your high-tech job. You can live at the waterfront and commute into the city to work. We have NASA Langley here, and we also have Langley Air Force Base, both which provide a wonderful base for high-tech industries. We are also very proud to be home of the National Institute of Aerospace.
We are continuing to grow, and where the high-tech jobs, this is the place to be. We have probably more PhDs per capita than most places in the country, especially with our Jefferson Lab growing the way it is.
The cities, counties, and towns of Hampton Roads are committed to our first region-wide economic development strategy we call Vision Hampton Roads.
We're focused on the need to diversify the regional economy, and the best way to succeed is through innovation.
Our economic development professionals, educational institutions, and businesses have all come together through Innovate Hampton Roads to drive job growth and job creation through innovation.
Hampton Roads has significant technology business clusters that the world needs now.
In aerospace, bioscience, coastal energy, modeling and simulation, robotics, and sensors.
Here are just a few of the many entrepreneurs working right here in Hampton Roads, USA.
We are experts at Navy shipboard electrical equipment. We supply a lot of the electrical equipment that goes on board aircraft carriers and submarines. We actually engineer systems. If it moves, we can control it. JoCal is a woman-owned company. We don't see gender as a barrier, so to speak, but it is unique that we are a woman-owned business in this particular industry. No matter what it is, no matter what it involves, we can take an idea and automate it. And we have the products, systems, services, and people to do that.
Our focus right now is unmanned aircraft or remotely piloted aircraft, but in the future we'll grow into ground, surface, subsurface, and space systems as well. Being in Hampton Roads gives us a distinct advantage of being located anywhere else. The economy is heavily based in a military-industrial complex environment. We also have, obviously, one of the largest naval complexes in the world sitting right here in our backyard. We're only a couple hours from Washington, D.C., the Beltway, and where all the decision makers are.
IP Configure is a video surveillance software company really focused on research and development in the areas of machine vision. Most video surveillance applications are designed for 8 to 16 cameras, small mom and pop organizations. Our focus is a much larger customer base. Education is a big customer of ours, and one of the things that our software does to really facilitate enterprise or larger customers is the fact that it's in a browser interface. IP Configure offers one of the only license plate recognition system that uses visible light and megapixel technology. Most systems like you see on EasyPass or even the red light traffic cameras that everybody hates, you leverage infrared technology. And what happens is it filters out all the natural light so you can't see anything but these tag numbers. We actually can see things like vehicle color, make, model, and in some cases the face of the vehicle.
IRX is a small company, so therefore we have to be innovative. We focus on ophthalmology products. We want to innovate the market because there's a lot of drugs out there, for example antibiotics, that are going to expire soon. And also coming up with new technologies for diseases like dry eye. It's the partnership between academia and business that drives the innovation.
We're in the business of business management software, particularly focusing on small businesses, companies that have maybe outgrown QuickBooks, Peachtree, but haven't really been able to justify going to one of the big packages. Big gap in the marketplace. We have built our product with free software called open source software. It means people are able to contribute to it, to improve it continuously, and it's global. It's been translated into 25 different languages. What we do is harness all that collective brain power of smart people around the world and put it to use to make our product better. In return, hundreds of thousands of people get a free accounting system. Some portion of them will pay us to upgrade to commercial version. They'll come to a training class here. They'll pay us for some professional services. It's a kind of a new way to do this kind of software.
I started Aerotech in 1994. I'd done a lot of work with NASA in the past, and I wanted to be close to NASA Langley Research Center. We were developing technologies to detect and avoid wake vortex from one aircraft to another, turbulence and wind shear. And we've been in that business for 15 to 18 years. We have many technologies that we've licensed and we're selling to airlines all over the world. We've established ourselves as a leader in that area.
Well, at Morphix we do chemical detection, so we detect toxic chemicals in the air that someone, a worker in a factory, military personnel, or a first responder might use in order to protect them. We have customers all over the world. China has been one of our biggest market growth over the last couple of years. We're a small company, but we sell to some of the biggest companies in the world. At Morphix, one of our key skill sets is chemists. So what we do is try to recruit people who really have a tie to this area, because we find this is a great area to live, and people, once they know how good this area is, they want to stay.
We Are Titans is a design and development company based in Hampton Roads. What we do is we take brilliant ideas and we help people build it. Whether they're mobile applications, whether they are full-fledged Facebook clones or YouTube clones, we have the technical capacity to really build any online service or product that needs to be built, given an idea and funding.
We have a very unique talent here. We focus in prototype development, new aircraft development, new design, clean sheet design, very high tech, extremely cutting edge from the standpoint of using new materials, technologies, leveraging those to create new optimal aircraft designs. A fantastic area here in Hampton Roads to do that. Naturally, the university locations relative to our location are also a critical aspect of our business here, and kind of also allowed us to succeed.
I'd say that one of the great things here at Eagle Technologies is we are highly vested in research and development.
We've leveraged our business capability here in Hampton Roads to a great result, and it's enhancing the aerospace industry in general.
Hampton Roads is not only attracting new business and nurturing existing business, but also grow your own technology-based entrepreneurial enterprises.
With innovative ideas and entrepreneurs ready to successfully commercialize the wealth of research in Hampton Roads, the region is embracing the culture of entrepreneurism, a culture that is a requirement for innovation.
The message is clear from Hampton Roads, USA.
Failure is not an option. Innovation is here to stay.
Learn more at InnovateHamptonRoads.com.